everyone. So Independence Day it is. మనకి స్వాతంత్రం వచ్చి ఈరోజు 72 సంవత్సరాలు అవుతుంది. సో ఈరోజు నేను పోస్ట్ పెట్టాను ఇందాక. Such an honor. Thank you team Hotel Vivera for giving me my first ever flag hoist opportunity. Happy or not. My hashtag happy or not was all about the comments I've been getting after I posted this on Instagram. So Vishy_15 says great opportunity you had, but the dress tells the respect you have. And yours truly Kiran and this same opinion bro, and this guy gives her this. So I want to ask you, what is independence to you? Independence in commenting anything you want to a woman who you hardly know, who's an entertainer, and okay, forget about all that. Edi notu ki edi padte adi, being judgmental on what you just see for that second. Huh? Why do you want to do all this? You inta desperate, how frustrated you guys are in your life. నేను చాలా డిలీట్ కూడా చేసేసాను దట్ నా పేజ్ లో నా ఫ్యామిలీ అన్నా ఇంకా నేనంటే ఇష్టపడే వాళ్ళు ఎవరైనా చూస్తే చాలా హర్ట్ అవుతారని. ఐ హావ్ బికమ్ అ వెరీ స్ట్రాంగ్ ఉమెన్ డూడ్. యూ కెనాట్ ఈవెన్ టచ్ ఆర్ స్క్రాచ్ మీ. But this is about the people I care that I'm worried about, so I'm doing this live. Shame on you guys that you think of independence this way. I'm going to tell అందరి పేర్లు చెప్పబోతున్నాను. డిలీట్ చేసిన వాళ్ళది కూడా ఉంటే బాగుండేది అనిపించింది నాకు ఇప్పుడు. బట్ if you don't have respect for me, I do not have respect for you too. So I really don't feel bad to saying it out. Meer itla indaka evaro Madhu and evaro atanu literal ga he abused. What can you see in my clothes? Is there a rule that I have to wear a sari and go to something like this? Who the hell are you to tell me that? No, it is not a happy Independence Day anymore. It was never. Vanita Nagaraj is saying Independence Day రోజు కూడా ఆ డ్రెస్ ఏంటి మేడం? ఏం డ్రెస్ వేసానంటే నేను బికినీ వేసుకుని వెళ్ళానా? ఇది ఏమైనా షాపింగ్ మాల్ ఓపెనింగ్ అథూ అంట. సమ్ సాయి క్రిష్ అండ్ Sardar Swaroon is saying minimum sense ledu. For what? I don't know. I have equal right like any of an Indian to hoist flag in whatever dress I'm wearing with. Who are you to tell me? I mean, what did you actually do in your life? At least you all know who I am. And I am knowing you all by in such wrong ways. What do you get out of this? Shame on you. So, okay, let me see this new comment. Gaurav Rameshwar. 1 minute back. Do you know the meaning of flag hoisting? First of the people should have some. You first learn how to speak English first, okay? Write properly. Telugulo రాయండి నేను శుభ్రంగా చదువుతాను. Some people who invited you for the first all should know the value of the flag anta. What do you know? Do you value any human being first of all? Do you value your words? He's saying the meaning of flag hoisting, it's not like every Tom, Dick and Harry can come and hoist. You are Tom, Dick or Harry. You're not even them. You're some random Gaurav Rameshwar. I'm super pissed today, huh? Not the right time to say all this. Who the fuck... Forget it. Sorry. Who the hell are you to say that I am right? I have the right to hoist a flag or not? I'm an Indian. I have every right as... I don't have a right to say all this to you. So you don't do. But flag hoisting, any of us can do. Anukya Abhinav. He's saying that Anukya, she. Okay, Sakshi. You need not reply to trolls. I know people know that you're, and so you got. No, it's not that I am Anusuya today, Anukya. It's not that I am Anusuya that they've asked me to hoist the flag or something like that. But at least they're happy that they found me in their place at that particular time. They were kind enough to ask me. So like an Indian, I obliged and I did. What? Madhuri is saying, Madhuri K105, a person should have some dignity to get such an honor. I really wonder what you would have done to get that honor, brainless people. What did you do? At least I didn't do anything like you are doing it right now. I don't even know why I'm doing this. I think it's all impulsive. But I thought one thing I wanted to tell you is that this is definitely not an Independence Day. If you think telling anything you want to anybody you like or dislike, telling anything you want to is definitely not independence. That's why I put hashtag happy or not. Extremely sorry to all those who actually find good stuff on my paper, on my page. You know, I find these very, very rare of occasions. Imagine anyways that I should not react to anybody. But I'm on my way with my family to a very, very small road trip for a special occasion. I will tell you surely tomorrow. So on the way I've dropped by this place to have breakfast and they found me, and obviously that because I'm a known face, they've asked me, and it just happened. And I didn't know that I would have to do this and I have to be prepared with a lot of saris and stuff. I mean, honestly, Independence Day aro chappandi, Happy Independence Day and aro comment cheyandi when you give that kind of independence to every individual, every Indian, be it male, female, kid, old, anybody. Any independence to do what they like, as long as it is not hurting anyone. What I wear should not hurt you, as long as I'm comfortable and I am confident. And is this all you're worried about in your life? Really? That what Anusuya is wearing? Are you serious? Inta jobless unnara meeranta? Please have little sense that there are a lot of people who really like me, like their family, and I have huge family all over, and they might just get really hurt, and they're not as strong as I am. కొంచెం మీకు జన్మనిచ్చినందుకన్నా మీ తల్లిదండ్రులు తలదించుకోకుండా అన్న కొంచెం ఒళ్ళు దగ్గర పెట్టుకొని టెక్స్ట్ చేయండి. I've been doing this for a while. I'm just blocking and banning everyone, every unhappy people, every desperate person on my page, every frustrated soul. I don't want to be around such people. So నేను అందరినీ బ్లాక్ బ్యాన్ చేస్తున్నా ఎవరెవరైతే ఇలా చేస్తున్నారో. But I thought they should know why they're being blocked or banned from my page. So here I am saying all of that. If you're not stopping yet, I'm not at loss at all. I want to be with people. Just 10 people unna chalu. Those 10 people should be like my mind. Likewise mind unnadi. They should think like me. They should like me for what I do, not just be there to spread hatred and dump all their frustration. 10 mandi unna chalu. I don't mind. I am not here to let people write news about Anusuya has 3.5 million followers. No. ఎంత మంది ఉన్నారని కాదన్నయ్య, ఎలాంటి important నాకు. 72nd Independence Day it is. Happy or not, it's in our hands. See you all.